Hey there. Are you the one who has recently been preparing for any sort of national or international level competitive examination? And therein, scoring in verbal ability and reading comprehension had been the real challenge for you? Then this capsule course on verbal ability and reading comprehension is probably the right thing for you. Why do I say so? Because I've seen students struggling with mugging up vocabulary, cramming grammar rules, and reading loads and loads of text, and yet not scoring sufficient enough to claim that yes, they have prepared about this component, like they've prepared for verbal ability and reading comprehension for the examination. Why it happens so? Let me tell you, probably you need to look at reading comprehension and verbal ability as a set of skill. What is it ideally? Let me explain it to you. Verbal ability is actually one's ability to use words to communicate and comprehend in a particular language, that is English. Okay, so when you are put to the test of verbal ability, you are given certain questions through which it is reduced or it is evaluated where you stand in terms of this ability. This is what is the usual procedure of examination. All right.